Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change your personal or contact information in Gusto. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one, so let's just jump straight into it. The first step is to log into your Gusto account. So as always, start by logging into your Gusto account at gusto.com using your employee credentials. Step 2, go to your profile. Now once you're in, you want to look for your profile icon and click on that, and then you're going to select profile from the drop down menu. Step 3, update your information. So now that you're in your personal profile, here you can update your name, contact information, address, and emergency contact details. Just click edit, that's next to the section that you want to change. Step 4, save your changes. Now after making your changes, don't forget to hit save and you'll get a confirmation that your details have been updated. And step 5 is to double check your information. Now it's always a good idea to double check that everything looks correct before logging out. And that's it. Now your personal details are all set, and that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.